It's the Splash Mountain. You gon' get wet. Oh Lord. My ass is already wet.
We ain't even got in this thing yet. Pull your bar, roll it.
Oh well.
Oh.
Oh. Oh
we
God.
are already wet.
Oh yeah. We're going down the Splash Mountain.
I'm probably gonna do that.
Are y'all ready for this? Are y'all ready for this? Here we go. Up and we stop. Oh God. Ooh, it stinks.
That water smells good.
I know. Ooh, see, it's a nice little. Oh God.
Oh, maybe we should have been in the front.
Yeah, they're in the front. They take all.
At least it's a GoPro.
Dude, we totally got soaked just now.
I know. Hey guy. Ooh.
Oh no.
They got wet. Say cheese.
Goes down right here.
Oh God.
Oh God, no.
Oh God.
No, don't do it.
Oh God.
Oh, someone's pants.
I lost my head. Oh hell. I just didn't want my glasses to get wet. You're evil bastard.
No, we got it big time.
This ride looks like it's all right. Here we go.
I think I've got a poo.
A poo poo. Here we go. Nope. Welcome.
All right, this was where we should have won the swim trunks.
Yeah. We were fooled. Fooled.
Dude, you and I are like done.
Y'all are soaked. That feels good though.
Oh, dude.
Damn.
Yeah, Brendan was like, my glasses. I literally can't explain my glasses.
Hey, they're singing to us.
Are y'all ready to get saturated?
I'm already saturated.
I'm very moist.
I'm all moist. Hello, people. Howdy. Where the bear? Oh God.
Wait, what is that?
Oh, here's the smaller one. We're about to get wet, buddy. Get ready! Yeah! Okay. It wasn't too bad. Not too bad.
Hey, look at the trees.
Ooh, look at the pretty trees. You getting wet? Oh, no fishing. Oh, no.
What? Show you my what?
I don't know why it does. It keeps like dimming the screen. This is a horrible ride.
Oh my God, look at that butt.
What?
Look at that butt.
Ooh, you got the honey. Behind the horn. Poor bastard. Hey, buddy! What's going on, yeah? Yeah, this mine train's pretty much like this. Minus the water drop. Oh god. Oh god. We're going into the hole.
Hey, look, it's the bunny.
Hey, buddy! Oh god. Oh god.
What's happening?
Oh god.
What's happening?
Oh, it went too big. Larry! It's so dark in here.
Oh, it's so much worse than it's dark.
I can't see a cotton picking thing there. Why is it so dark in here?
Trying to put that on his back.
Alright, I'll put it in there. Getting wet time. Whee! Oh, I got saturated. Why? Whee! Oh, that's so cool. See how the water jumps? Look at the jumping water. Damn turtle! That's getting you! That's getting you! Why, God? Why? Dear
Why aren't
Lord.
you getting wet over there?
Because you're
Why is it all on my
blocking. You're
side?
blocking the water. Thank you. Beware. Don't say those words.
I need you to be more PG, damn it.
More PG-13, dick.
Hey, look at those
Oh,
guys.
God.
They look creepy.
Here we go. This is the end. This is the end. Da, da, da. My only friend. The end. There's the tunnel. I hope you're prepared. We're all gonna die. Yeah. Oh God. Oh God. Be prepared. Be prepared.
You have to look. You're cheating.
No cheating.
I understand well.
Oh God. Oh God. Shut a camera that way.
Oh no.
Here we go. No, we're not. Not yet. We're waiting. And waiting. Oh God. Here we go.
They're going down.
Oh hell. Oh hell. Oh God. Oh God. Here we go. Oh God. Oh God. Hope y'all are ready for this. Hope y'all are ready for this. Oh God. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. Oh God. That's the last guy we see before we die.
No, not the bunny.
Oh God! Oh God! We got a little wet.
Oh, damn.
Did y'all get wet? I got wet. Oh, it's saturated. Oh, we made it. I think. I can't see shit, but we made it. Oh God. We got saturated.
We are soiled.
Oh God. Soiled.
Soiled.
Soiled. What picture? I got enough picture here to save us a lifetime. Oh no, we're gonna see it, and we're gonna take a picture of the picture. Waterfall. Why? More water! I I'm saturated.
I hate the right side.
Oh, y'all having fun yet?
Oh,
God. I'm glad I got a GoPro. This thing was sad, just was like, it just went everywhere. Ah, yes, yes. Oh, and then they bring you into the AC area
So that
you're saturated and freezing. Freezing. What a wonderful day. I'm saturated. I love being wet.
Okay, that does not look good.
I'm not sure what's happening there. Not too sure.
Is that a Menashe
My
fly?
glasses are done for. And this ride has been almost 12 minutes now. Yeah, whatever there, rabbit guy. Hi. Oi, babe.
One of these days, I gotta fake red box.
Oi, babe. Alright. I think we've pretty much seen all the rides. Let's just keep on keeping on till we hit the end. We need napkins.
I have some, but I think they're wet.
They're all wet. Oh God.
I came to this ride with napkins. I'm leaving with clay.
I'm leaving with clay. They were napkins.
All right, quit pushing.
Okay, apparently we're backed up. So, signing off, we made it.